The enemy isn't failure. It's not your competition. It's not the system. It's you. More specifically, your ego, the part of you that always needs credit, that fears being wrong, that can't stop chasing attention. Ryan Holiday says, ego is the enemy of progress, of mastery, of peace. Let's break it down. Ego is the enemy is built on timeless Stoic principles, modern case studies, and a harsh but necessary truth. Ego is your biggest obstacle in life. Whether you're starting out, rising to the top, or starting over, the ego will sabotage you at every stage. So how do we beat it? 1. Ego lies to you. Ego is stolen. Confidence is earned. Ego wants to be seen. It wants to look like it's already arrived. But real confidence is quiet. It's built in the dark, earned through effort, not attention. If you're more worried about looking successful than becoming excellent, you've already lost. 2. Ego craves recognition, but mastery requires humility. You can't learn if you think you already know. When the ego is loud, your growth is silent. To get better, you have to admit you're not there yet. To grow, you have to shut up and listen. Let others talk. Let feedback in. The wise are students. The foolish are experts too soon. 3. Ego doesn't handle success or failure, success. The ego says, I did this, I deserve more. Failure, it says, that wasn't my fault. In both cases, ego disconnects you from reality. But Holiday reminds us, stay humble in success. Stay strong in failure. Stay focused through both. 4. Ambition is good, ego is not. Ambition means striving for something. Ego means pretending you've already achieved it. Ambition pushes you. Ego inflates you. Ambition is hungry. Ego is entitled. The difference? Ambition builds. Ego destroys. Ego tells you that you're special, that you're owed something, that you're the main character of every story. But real greatness, it's quiet, patient, grounded. It doesn't shout. It just works. And it outlasts the loud ones every single time. So ask yourself, where has ego been slowing you down? Where have you been trying to look good instead of actually getting better? Drop A in the comments if you're choosing humility over hype. Subscribe if you're building quiet discipline, not loud distractions.